How to start my own Forex trading company. You can do the research or talk to anyone you might know that has an understanding of Forex, and they can all have unique thoughts on what is the best Forex platform to use. Although in the end it is you that will have to make the determination on what can be the best Forex platform for yourself. There will be many components that will aid in this decision. Some will be liked by the masses, and then there will be some that you personally won't like. It will be determined mostly by the work ethics of the individual and the willingness to learn. Foreign exchange traders are able to efficiently follow various trends and movements of a very changeable currency market. Some will even make use of the best Forex platform software to simplify the task of probable and profitable points in the marketplace. This software keeps track of all currencies and offers the best time to sell or trade your stock. Wise traders will select the most dependable Forex robot to help with their decisions in trading. The best Forex platform software on the market can automatically give up-to-date Forex trading signals. This will allow for simple and quick decision-making. Most financial institutions that function as an authorized foreign exchange dealer will have their own software trading program, and this is where your research would factor into the equation. Deciding on the appropriate robot for your skill level can pay off and could determine whether you make money or not. The major currencies that are tracked include the Euro, Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, Great Britain pound, and the Australian dollar. Although there are a lot of other currencies covered, these are closely watched by traders who make a living selling stock. As with any stock trading, the trading happens 24/7 around the globe, and this will allow for trading at any time of day. Each individual trader will have their own particular trading time that will fit into their day-to-day schedule. Although your average trader will not invest a lot of time into making trades, this is where the Forex robot is so valuable and will come into play. Timing is the key factor in any market, and using a software robot that gives automatic results in the decision process can only be considered the utmost investment in one's future. Nearly every one of these businesses will agree to the use of their software programs just for doing business with their company, and that's a wonderful benefit for the trader. So what is the best Forex platform? This decision is totally up to the person. It is vital to examine the forums and see what everybody else is saying. This will provide a more refined understanding of what program will best suit your needs.